Hi you guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Cosmic Chick. So today what I'm about to do is change the color of this dresser from this black color to a gray color. So I'll go ahead and get started with it. The first thing I'm going to do is get any type of cloth or towel and wet it and just go and wipe it off to make sure there's no stickiness or dirt or anything. And then I'll be using my sanding block to sand it just a little bit. And after that, I'll hit it with the spray paint. So, stay tuned. This is the spray paint that I use. It's the Rustoleum Universal Metallic and Dark Steel. And if you can see that, it has glitter in it, so it gives it a little shiny effect. And my sanding block was type hard. Like I said, beginning, you just want to clean the surface so that there is not anything that's going to show up in the finished product. And just be sure to get the entire surface that you're going to be spray painting. Take another dry cloth and dry your surface. Now you'll start with your sanding block. And I didn't apply too much pressure because I still wanted my finished product to have the same type of texture as the original paint. After I had sanded the entire dresser, I went back over that with another wet cloth to remove basically all of the dust particles. After I allowed it to dry, I began with the first coat. And you just want to spray it on as evenly as possible. And just be sure to get the entire surface of the dresser. And if you can't take the smell of strong fumes, then you might want to get some type of facial mask, because of course with the spray paint the fumes are really strong. And this is what it looked like after applying the first coat. And it really didn't take much time for it to dry at all. I think I went back out after an hour and it was totally dry, but I just didn't have the time to finish it that day. So the following day I started with the second coat. And here it is after the second coat. I really didn't have to do 3 coats, but I wanted to make sure that the paint job lasted for a long time and that I wouldn't have to redo it anytime soon. And also I wanted to smooth out any imperfections that I may have missed the first 2 times. And here it is after the third and final coat. And as you can see, when the sun hits it, you can just see that glitter glistening, looking fantastic. Here it is in my room. I really absolutely love how it came out. This is everything that I imagined that it was gonna be, and I'm very satisfied. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, see ya.